This is 6 colors that you've never seen us paint before. We've got a nice, relaxing, experimental video for you guys today. This is 6 samples that I was sent from one of our manufacturing partners. They want us to test them out and show them to you guys. So let me walk you through each one so you can check them out. First is ballet slipper. I know, don't let the name fool you. It looks like a very cool rose gold. So we've got to try it, right? Next, we have what they call purple red. This is a very deep red. I want to play with it because we don't have any colors like this. It's kind of the whole theme of today's videos, is testing out color samples that we don't have colors that currently match. Next, we have what they're calling gray brown. I know these are the most creative, descriptive names ever, but gray brown, it looks like a really dark brown in some lights and then a really mid-tone like metallic gray in others. Really cool. Okay, this one's called taffy. I know pink isn't for everybody, but there are a lot of our viewers that like pink paint, and this is a very metallic, light, almost, what would you say, bubblegumish?
Yeah.
Maybe even lighter. It's a metallic pink, and we don't have anything like it, so I really want to play with it. Then we have chocolate. Everybody knows that I like metallic brown paints. I've done my cars in metallic brown dips before. I probably will do it again. Chocolate sounds awesome. Finally, I don't know what the name of it is. It's called verdigris something. This is a really cool green, and I know we have a ton of greens, but we don't have a single green that looks like this. So I'm gonna give you a better look at each one. We're gonna mix them up. We're gonna spray them out. Gabriel, which one's caught your eye so far?
I mean, I'm always a green fan.
Yeah.
So I like the green, and I like that, what is it, the gray brown they said?
The gray brown, yeah, I'm really interested in that. That is genuinely a color that I could see myself spraying in like a satin finish. So we got some work ahead of us. You ready to go?
I am.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the experiment, and I love playing with new colors. I can't wait to show you what they look like. Some of them look exactly like I expected. Some of them look completely different. But here's what I want you to do. Take a good look at each sample, and if you had to paint your personal vehicle in one of these colors, I want to know which one you would pick. Leave a comment below. And a quick booth update for you. We're at the point where we're doing our final inspections, so we could be 2 or 3 weeks away from getting the booth back up and running. Of course, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us in the meantime. So if you want to play with any of our paints, we've got everything peelable, permanent, kits that include everything you need. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a blast in this video, and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.